IDOC stands for intermediate documents. Here, main purpose of IDOC is transfer the data from SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP. Okay, transfer the data from SAP to non-SAP, vice versa. Okay. Here, what is the meaning of SAP? We know, right? So, what is the meaning of here non-SAP? Non-SAP means it could be a business partner, it could be a customer, it could be a vendor. Okay, here non-SAP means business partner or vendor or customer or bank also. Okay, here before going to start this concept, we learn what is the IDOC, intermediate document. Main purpose is transfer data from SAP to non-SAP, and what is the meaning of non-SAP? It's a business. It's maybe a business partner, vendor, customer, bank. So I'm going to tell you one scenario in a practical manner. First, suppose Lavanya and Co. and company Lavanya and company buying and selling cars. Okay, in this scenario, I sold to one person of in our group, for example Gayatri. Okay, then in this Gayatri I sold one bench car to her.
Hello, Lavanya garu, some more noise here.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Someone is saying something.
Nothing. Please go ahead.
Okay. Okay, I sold one bench car to Gayatri. Okay, here after 1 hour or 6 months, Gayatri needs a car services. So here she needs a car services. In that scenario, I will tie up with one person. Suppose with Gopi and Co. I tie up with Gopi and Co car services. So in this scenario, if Gayatri having any problems, she want to do the car services. So Gayatri comes to Gopi and Co car services, and in the Gopi and Co car services, they will check whether this is a vendor list of Lavanya and company. Okay, in that scenario, I need to send some details to vendor details to Gopi sir, Gopi and Co car services. Okay, in that I need to send the vendor master data. Okay, and also here and Gopi and Co. They after providing their services, they will send invoices. So this much cost happened to Gayatri, so you need to release the fund. And also Lavanya and come, they will release the funds. It's like a payments. It won't be like oral. It would be always in a documentary form, right? So the documentary form always in a IDOC format. Okay, because if in case we will uploading any file, suppose we need to upload PDF. If we upload in the zip, it will show as a you need to upload a PDF only. They will mention them on some size, right? So 100 MB only, like that. SAP also accept only IDOC format only. So here I'm stressing again now what is the IDOC format. Okay, and this is one scenario. Another scenario, suppose our company paying some salary to our employees, right? In that scenario, we don't have sufficient resources for maintaining the payroll team. So in that scenario, we'll give it to other party, right? So in that scenario, we'll give our our employees information to a third party for maintaining the payroll details. So that is also in that scenario also we need to send the details to them. So in payroll scenario, if in case we are providing any financial services, we'll give some details to some customers, please collect EMIs, or at least call to them. So that type of services also will give to third party if in case we don't have any proper team to collect the EMIs, and also that type of EMI collection also, that type of scenario also in this. So many scenarios are there. Just these three are the scenarios. So if company wants to transfer data from any person, they will send through IDOC format only, right? So this is what is IDOC format. If in case IDOC IDOC format, okay. If information coming from non-SAP to SAP system accepts only IDOC format. IDOC format, okay. If information is going from SAP to non-SAP, it will send only IDOC format only. Okay, but non-SAP they doesn't know the IDOC format, right? So data will be converted into respective formats. Okay, up to now everyone is clear, right? After knowing this all the information, what is the IDOC? Here IDOC is a data container. Okay, here IDOC is a data container and transfer the data from SAP to non-SAP using ALE technology. SAP ALE technology. What is the meaning of ALE technology? Okay, what is the meaning of ALE technology? ALE means it's a application link enable. Okay, and here we are seeing the two systems. One is SAP system, another one is non-SAP system, or it's a SAP system or SAP system. Okay, it's a vice versa. So both the systems having two applications. Having two applications. One second. One is ADA and another one is ALU. I already told you what is the meaning of ALU. It's application link enabling. And what is the meaning of here? Copy. ADA means electronic data enter CHANG. Okay, but we are not worried about these two. This is related to technology. So ABAP team they will take care. Okay. Okay, here IDOC is a data container. It's two systems having the these applications. One is electronic data interchange, another one is application link enabling. This is ABAP, they will take care. Okay. Apart from that, here IDOC having two types. IDOC consists two types. Is internal IDOC. Another one is external IDOC. Okay. What is the here I'm going to tell before what is internal IDOC. Here one message number for internal IDOC is above 50. I will explain you what is 50 and here external, not external, it's a outbound IDOC. Inbound IDOC and outbound IDOC. Inbound. Inbound IDOC, in that message number for inbound IDOC is above 50. Okay, inbound IDOC above 50, and outbound message number in between 1 to 49. So I will tell you what is these numbers and what is the meaning of your inbound IDOC. Okay, inbound IDOC means data which comes into the SAP, that is called inbound IDOC. So here data which comes into SAP, that is called inbound IDOC. And what is outbound? It is vice versa. Okay, data which goes out of SAP, that is called outbound. Okay, so I already stressed here message number for inbound IDOC. What is the message here? I'm going to stress this word again. What is the meaning of message here? In the IDOC, the materials will send maximum, it will work on the purchase orders and invoices and invoices, payments. Okay. Here, how the message will be reflect? Suppose examples of messages. One is material. How the information reflect in the it will be like MATMAS. Okay, and for customers it will be like customers means data, right? DEB first three letters, then MAS, and third is material customers. What was that? Then vendors. Vendors means we are selling to, we are taking any services, right? They are called vendors. Here vendors means it's creators. CREMAS. Okay, like that we are having the orders also. Purchasers, not purchasers, it's like orders. They have messages like this. Okay, so we know what is the example, what is the message.
Lawan, or
Hello?
here orders means order. The delivery means dead sale. Message that
Yes,
order.
so many examples are there. If you log into that, just telling me two three names only. Material, it will be like that, the format, message type. Okay, you have any doubts? Hello? And I'm stressing you here, what is the number? Here number, how we will come to know that after uploading the IDOC whether it is successfully uploaded or not? Okay, messages number. Okay, we're talking about number, right? So how we will come to know that whether the IDOC is successfully uploaded or not? So after logging into SAP, we need to give one T code, that is WE02 or WE04, not 4, it's a primary numbers, right? 45 and WE07 and WE09. So Saw said only WE09, but he said WE05, WE07, W09 also. After logging into this, the screen will be like showing the all the document IDOC document number. Here IDOC document number, message number. If message number is message number outbound, it shows 3. Okay, if it shows 3, that is successfully uploaded. Okay, I already told, right? Here in above that, what is the number range between here, outbound IDOC? It's 1 to 49. Okay, not able to know this question. here 1 to 49. So successful message also we can say in the third message number. Okay, if in case in the inbound IDOCs, it's above 50, right? So here we can see the successful message number. So you see successful message number 53, and failure message number is 51. Okay, here I'm testing you one more thing. Here we can see that IDOC number, message number is 3, and failure for inbound successful message number 53 and failure number 51. Okay, and one more thing, here sender system. Okay, and sender system STM system and receiver system is there. Okay, any process is going from sender system. Okay, that process is called, also we can say it's going, right? So it's a outbound process. Any information is coming from receiver system, that is called inbound process. So clear, right? And in that one more thing, here we mentioned IDOC numbers. Okay, here IDOC numbers, the format will be like IDOC number. One second. Here IDOC number consists 3 records. Record is control records. What we'll discuss in the control record, what it will disclose control records. Here disclose the what was that, IDOC number, it shows IDOC type, it disclose, and business partner, and it shows so many options, but you can say IDOC number, IDOC type, and BP. And third record is, it shows data. It will reflect in a segments. It will be a customer data, it will be a vendor data, it will be a bank data, it's a business partner data. Okay, and third is status record. Status record, it will shows that whether what is the error here. It stores whether successfully filed or not. Not the status will disclose. So if we want the records, we can download the data through tables. So what is the T codes for seeing this IDOC number records? The T code is for that in the tables for these control records. The T code is here. I'm just mentioning here only. EDI control, right? It's like EC. Here data means data records table is here EDI D4. It will get confused if I give to D again. So EDI D yes. Okay. Then last point is configurations, also very important in the IDOC. Configuration also important here, but we don't do. I don't know whether this FICO people will do or not, but it will done by the basic consultant or developer only. So we'll see what are the configuration they will do. One is the logical system, another one is port they will do, and third one is segments, filters they will create, and fourth one is distribution model they will do. Okay, in the interview they will ask you, told what is the meaning of port here. I'm explaining this configuration because of this word only, port. What is the meaning of port here? Told port is very important for interview point of view. Okay, it's a connection between two systems, and port consists FC destination. It will handled by the basic consultant team. Don't ask me what is the meaning of RST because I'm not that much expert to tell about RFC destination. But SAR tell what connection between two systems. If port contains this RFC destination, it will do by the basic consultants. And port consists two files. One is file ports. Another one is transaction ports. Okay, and last one more point here I'm going to discuss. If you see the FB60, FB70 or any configuration GST or TDS, so we will do our FICO consult work, and end user they will do work, and ABAP they will do their work. But in the IDOC, to here team involvement is very important. So which team members they will involve? Important for configurations. Okay, so what are the teams they will involve? One is ABAP. Then second one is banking team, and third one is interface team. Okay. And fourth maybe SAP FICO consultants, and basic consultants, and core users. Core users. So it's lastly he told when listening his class, it's not a one man show, so many peoples will involve in that. And here you know about teams, they will work on the technology side. Bank team, so they'll see the banking transaction. Here interface team, what is the meaning of interface team? Suppose we are sending some details to bank, okay, to bank if through IDOC only. If any information, if the IDOC is not in a proper way, again the bank will check with interface team. Okay, here interface team. In that scenario, interface team they will do this type of work. So that's all about IDOC. If anyone want any questions, you can ask Gopi sir, because I'm not that much expert to explain all the things.
RFS destination, not RFC destination, remote function call.
RFC destination, what is the meaning of, you're going to explain, right?
RFS destination. This means
What?
the connectivity port. RFC, not RFC.
RFC, yes. RFC destination. FC, yes.
It's the connectivity, port connectivity to bank customer or maybe.
Can you type this RFC destination? What is the meaning of that? I'm not able to hear you properly. Okay, I can see in the chat. Thanks for your valuable time.
And one more here.